So, good morning, sir.
My name is John Ray R. Abanas.
The plank series exercise that I'm assigned is straight arm plank. So, what is the benefits of straight arm plank? The straight arm plank helps make our core, shoulders, and arms stronger. It also improves our posture and balance because we need to keep our body straight and steady. Doing this exercise regularly builds endurance and tones the whole body. It's simple but very effective way to stay fit and improve our body strength.
Good morning everyone. My name is Roger Conson and my assigning task is plank shoulder taps. So, when we say plank shoulder taps, it is a dynamic variation of the standard plank exercise that enhance core stability while engaging multiple muscle groups. This exercises not only strengthens your core but also improve balance and coordination.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Norito Almohalas, and the exercise that I assign is elbow plank. Benefits of elbow planks: strengthens core muscles, improve postures, tones arms and legs, encourage balance, help prevent back pain. First is strain your core. It helps build strong abdominal and lower back muscle. Number two is improve posture. Strengthen your core, support your spine, and keeps your body aligned. Number three is tones your body. Work your shoulder, arms, and legs along with your core.
So, good morning, sir. My name is John Ray Arabanas. The plank jack is a plank exercise where you jump your feet in and out while holding a plank position. It strengthens the core, shoulders, and legs. It also improves endurance, balance, and burn calories. Its function is to build strength and cardio fitness at the same time. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, I'm Angelo Feldi Balansag. The plank series that I'm assigned is the leg raised plank or single leg plank. It's an advanced version of the standard plank. Its primary function is to maximize core stability and anti-rotation strength. Its benefit is the leg raised plank intensely strengthens your core and glutes by forcing your body to resist twisting and tilting. This anti-rotation stability is crucial for improving overall balance and protecting your spine. It makes the standard plank much more challenging, leading to superior core endurance. Thank you.